Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Mahwish and you are watching my channel Mahwish Teaches. As in my last video you have learned about different rules for naming a variable in C and C++ language. So today I thought to practice it along with you guys. So before practicing to assign the variable names, I would like to explain the concept of valid and invalid variables. Valid variable name is a name that is assigned by following all the variable naming rules. All the rules that I have told you and I have explained you in my last video. If we assign any variable name by following the rules, then that variable name will be known as valid variable name. Then invalid variable name will be the name that is assigned by violating the variable naming rules. Either we are violating any single rule or we are violating multiple variable naming rules. That variable will be known as invalid variable name. I hope it's clear now. Now it will be more easier for you to practice variable naming. So first of all, I have a variable name A123. So give it a try. What do you think? Is it a valid variable or invalid? Yeah, absolutely right. It's a valid variable name. Then I have a variable name underscore ABCD. Is it a valid or invalid variable name? Yeah, it's also a valid variable name. Then 5HTML. Give it a try. It is invalid variable name because numbers from 0 to 9 are not allowed at the beginning of the variable name. We can write alphabets or underscore at the first position of the variable name, but we cannot write any number over here. So this is invalid variable name. Next, I have a variable name F3SS2. Is it valid or invalid? Yeah, it is a valid variable name. Next, tot.al. Exactly, it is invalid because full stop is a special character that is not allowed for assigning variable name. So next I have a variable name C $AVG. It is also not a valid variable name because $sign is a special character that is not allowed while assigning variable names. Then area. Area is a valid variable name. Next one, 5x. Yeah, exactly. 5x is invalid variable name because numbers are not allowed in the beginning of the variable name. It could be a valid variable name if x5 was written here. But as 5x is written here, so it will be considered as invalid variable. Then next we have sum. Yeah, sum is a valid variable name. Then next variable name is net space pay. Give it a try. Yeah, it is invalid because blank spaces are not allowed while naming a variable. Good. Next one is float. Float is invalid because it is a reserve word in C and C++ language, whereas reserve words are not allowed for naming a variable. So it will be invalid. Next one, underscore age. It's a valid variable name. Next one, else. Give it a try. Else is invalid because it's a reserve word or keyword. Next one, case. Yeah, case is also invalid because it is a reserve word or keyword in C and C++ languages, and reserve words are not allowed for naming a variable. Next one, size 22. Yeah, size 22 is a valid variable name because it is following all the variable naming rules. Next one, my underscore weight. Yeah, it is a valid variable name. Friends, if you have learned from my video and you have learned from practicing through my video, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.